Hello everyone. Today I'm going to present the topic from English Unit 2. This is called People. Here we learn how to describe people, ask questions, talk about family, and have in English. How to talk about family and friends from the use of vocabulary and audio record will help us to understand the grammar and how to use possessive adjective to describe familiar relationship. Example here. She is my sister. Who is your teacher? How old is Susie? Another important topic is using adjective to describe people and practicing short conversation. Where are you from? Your how old is Susie? Another finally, this unit help students communicate about people, family, friends, and everyone every day. Relationships using simple English structure. Subject pronoun, possessive adjective. I, my, you, your, he, his, she, her, it is, we, our, they, their. We use possessive adjective before nouns. Where's my books? What are their names?